Welcome to our first session on positive attitude. Your attitude determines your altitude in life. Ability is what you're capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well you do it. What are we going to have key learnings today? What is positive mental attitude? And what is not positive mental attitude? An importance of positive mental attitude. Are you thinking, what is positive mental attitude? A positive mental attitude, PMA, is all about maintaining the belief that you can transform difficult situations into something constructive. It's all about empowering yourself. The belief that you can or you can't will determine everything which follows. One, positive mental attitude is focusing on taking responsibility of yourself and your situation. 2. Taking action on what can be done now instead of blaming, complaining or criticizing others. Next, what is not considered as positive mental attitude? Getting away from taking responsibility is not PMA. It's not about faking it. It's never about lying to yourself. It's just not about blaming others. You must be thinking how to develop positive mental attitude. 11 steps to develop positive mental attitude. 1. Focus on the present. 2. Use positive words and language. 3. Focus on what you have rather than what you don't. 4. Count your blessings, make a list of gratitude. 5. Everything need not be perfect all the time. 6. Be ready to learn from your mistakes. 7. Rise up after every failure. 8. Challenge the circumstances. 9. Visualize your goals. 10. Offer prayers to your supreme power. 11. Practice positive affirmations. Now, time to think, are you negative about PMA? PMA without action is futile. For example, just by thinking only, you do not become rich. Positive thinking does not change the facts and reality outside. Sometimes negative thinking helps in having a contingency plan. Beware, positive thinking for the negative purposes can be hazardous. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment section if you have practiced positive mental attitude. Thank you, wishing you an abundance of success.